Hi there, I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and I want to share with you something that's coming up that you won't want to miss. It's a garden book party, and it's sponsored by the National Garden Bureau and GardenCom. It's happening on March 24th, 2022, 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, and it's free and it's virtual, so awesome. Here's what's going to happen. It's a conversation with 4 gardening book authors sharing tips of their own and of their own expertise. First, Sean and Allison McManus of Spoken Garden. Their book, The First Time Gardener, Growing Plants and Flowers, is a crystal clear guide for new gardeners, and they're going to be answering questions about that. Next, Toni Gattone, author of The Lifelong Gardener, will share tips for being a resilient gardener at any age. And for you indoor plant nerds, Raffaele Lallo of Ohio Tropics will share tips from his book, Houseplant Warrior. And me. I will be sharing tips on how to grow fruit in small spaces from my book, Grow Your Own Mini Fruit Garden. Now, the whole thing is moderated by another author, Kathy Jentz, who is the host of the Garden DC podcast, but she's also the co-author of The Urban Garden. Now, there will be a lot of gardening tips and tidbits to share, so you won't want to miss it, but there's also going to be a 15-minute breakout session with the author of your choice. So, join us and get ready for spring gardening. There's a registration link in the description below, and it's free, so I hope to see you there.